Check the alignment on this cluster right here.
Looks good. Point of acceptance marked.
Take a look at the reflection on this section.
Flawless application. We can sign off on this batch.
The tolerance on the rear damper is reading slightly high.
Rerun the scan on Sector 3.
The data stream looks good from here.
Confirmed. We are at 90% completion.
Can complete on the rear quarter panel.
Not.
Data matches specifications. The gap is uniform.
Platform engaged, lane clear. Moving to Bay 3.
Confirmed. Alignment good. Proceed.
Status update on shipment 724. Cleared for departure. ETA is green.
The red one is slated for the early run. Confirm that on your sheet.
Yeah, I got it right here. We're on schedule.
Deep Red unit is approaching checkpoint 4.
Acknowledged. ETA remains 0800 Zulu.
Confirmed. All parameters are nominal.
Manifest shows lane 3 clear.
Confirmed. The schedule holds for 1400.
The cycle time on the Deep Red chassis is fluctuating here.
Yes, I see that. We need to check the welding parameters on station 7.
Diagnostic shows a pressure drop at the nozzle.
I see that. Let me adjust the flow rate from here. Good, it's back in spec. Looks good. All systems are green for the next run.
Confirmed. Let's head out. need to adjust this timeline here. It's impacting the next build cycle.
I agree. Let's move the resource allocation over here and see the projected outcome.
The alignment on fixture 4 is still showing a 3-micron variance on the z-axis.
Rerun the laser calibration sequence and check the sensor readings again.
Check the tolerance on chassis 7.
It's holding steady at 0.02. Looks good.
The timing on that last sequence was off by 20 milliseconds.
I saw that. The seam integrity on the rear strut looks acceptable, though.
The temperature spike at segment 4 is stabilizing.
Looks good. We are within tolerance.
Connection verified on module 3. Good, locking it down now.
Align the rails now. Confirmed, lowering the seat.
Torque sequence initiated.
Braking force holding steady. Check the voltage on line 3.
Fluctuation detected. Adjusting the bypass circuit.
Affirmative, platform 5. Proceed to loading bay 4, position 2. Confirmed clear.
Check restraint 4. Looks good. All green on the tablet.
The restart sequence is holding steady at 90%. Telemetry looks good.
Acknowledged. Notify me when it hits completion.
All outbound lanes cleared on the schematic.
Confirmed. Route is secure.
The welding sequence checks out. No errors on the alignment.
Paint system looks good too. Ready for cycle testing.
All systems are green for the restart sequence.
Confirmed. The red line production is currently at 98% efficiency.
Everything is set for the next run. Looks perfect. Let's head out. The audio is dominated by the steady hum of industrial machinery and ventilation, creating a constant back.
Alignment check complete on station 4.
Confirmed. All systems are green across the board.
What about the panel integration over there, Charles?
All parameters within tolerance.
Noted. Proceed.
The flow rate looks optimized on Sector 4.
Confirmed. All parameters are stable.